Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka and I'm super glad to have you here on this channel. Please feel free to like this video. After watching this content, also consider giving it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel after watching this video. You can even like this video right away while you're busy watching the content. Okay, so guys, in this video I'll be continuing from the previous video of how to start a YouTube channel as a beginner in 2022. You guys could recall when I said so in the previous video. I had to say, okay, I'm going to continue as a part 2. Yes, let us say this video is the part 2 of the previous video on this channel. Are you really interested to know the remaining tips on how to start a YouTube channel as a beginner? Then you definitely need to keep on watching, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you.
Alright, welcome back, guys. So in the previous video, once again, I stopped at number 7, which is be consistent. So that's for number 7. So we're going to continue with number 8, which is be patient. Guys, as you all know, growth takes time. So for you to grow on YouTube, you need to be patient. If not, you're going to give up at the end of the day. YouTube takes time to grow. You don't just have to start a YouTube channel and then you expect manna to fall from heaven for you so that you can now get to 5,000 subscribers in less than 1 month. Man, it's not really easy like that, unless if you're a celebrity, unless probably somebody trying to grow your channel for you, and then you can now definitely get to that 5,000 or 2,000 subscribers within a short period of time. But if you don't have anybody, you're just starting on your own, you're a beginner, you're just starting, like really starting, then you definitely need to be patient because growth takes time. It's no longer news that growth takes time, so you need to be definitely really patient. Like I said again, except you have somebody that's a big YouTuber that can help you to grow your channel, then you will not be getting views, subscribers, just because they like that other big YouTuber. Do you understand? But again, if you don't have anybody, it's just you, no problem, it's fine. On my own other channel, it took me time for me to grow my own channel. I got views based on my own effort. Nobody helped me. I didn't meet anybody. It was just me and me alone. So if you're a beginner, if I can do that, you too can also do your own as well. Do not depend on anybody to share your videos. Put in the effort and be patient with your growth. Like I said before, growth takes time, success takes time, but if you're patient enough, you will definitely want to get results. I hope that is clear for number 8, right? Next number is look out for comments from your audience on your YouTube page. Do you understand? So what I mean is, after posting this content on your YouTube page, definitely gradually you'll be getting comments on your YouTube. So when you see comments like this, look out for what people, your audience, have to say in the comment section. If they are telling you, okay, please can you make a video of how to use a phone to start a YouTube channel, please can you make a video of how to use a tripod stand, stuff like this can help you, put out content on your YouTube. This makes this makes you know that your audience are really looking forward to hearing or listening to what you have to say, or listening to kind of content you have on your YouTube page. You understand? So it's very important for you to look out for comments on your time. It's very important for you to look out for comments. Look out for what your audience are talking about. Look out for what your audience wants you to do, the type of content they want you to create. With this, really helps you to create some type of content for your YouTube page. I hope you guys understand this particular tip. So guys, the next tip I have on my list is optimize your videos so that people can see it. And when I say optimize your videos, I am actually referring to make use of good thumbnails, good titles, your description, the type of hashtags you use, your tags. Please take note that YouTube is a search engine for people to search on. YouTube is a great search engine. Like I said in my previous video, for you to look out for searchable content that people are searching, go to YouTube and search for it. You're going to see lots of things people are searching for. If you go to Google, the same thing. With that, you can be able to create searchable content. And then when you create this content, you need to optimize them with what? Tags. Don't just create this content and then you dump it on your channel waiting for something to happen. Well, miracle might not happen for you that much unless probably you optimize it. When you do these things properly, you might be lucky enough YouTube will then help your videos to what go viral. Use hashtags, use good description, use good titles, use good thumbnails. All these things are really important for you to take note when you're trying to create content. Use all these things to optimize your videos. If your thumbnail is not good, people will not want to click on your videos. Do you understand what I'm saying? Your thumbnail needs to be catchy enough. It needs to be eye-catchy. People need to see, what is this person talking about? Let me get to here. Let me click it. So your thumbnails is, is the face of your content that you uploaded on that channel. Yes, let's just put it that way. It's the face for your content. So you need to take note of the kind of content to create. If you're wondering how to create a thumbnail for your content, let me know in the comment section. Probably I'm going to make a content for that and upload for you guys to watch. Okay, if you're looking forward to create a thumbnail and you don't know how to do it, I can give you a tip. You can go to Canva to create a thumbnail for your content. Also, you can use your phone or a laptop to create a thumbnail for your content on your YouTube channel. Do you guys understand? The tags is on the part where you go to YouTube Studio. You're going to see that part. Use hashtags on your description. Okay, for example, if you're trying to create a content on how to make up or a beauty content, after putting on the words on the description, you will now have to say, okay, hashtag beauty makeup, hashtag how to make up, hashtag, hashtag those things that has to do with beauty makeup. I hope I'm making sense, guys. So that is what I mean by optimizing your videos. This is very important for you to take note, so that when you do the work and YouTube sees that it is really, really good content for YouTube search, they will not help you towards make your video go viral. That's if you're lucky, because this YouTube thing, most of the time I feel like it's even luck with the way the algorithm works, guys. You understand? Yeah. So that's for that, optimize your videos. And the next one is promote your channel via all your social media platform. This is very interesting for you to take note, and I do not take this particular tip for granted. Guys, you need to promote your videos. You can do it. You're the only one that can sell your market. You are the only one that can carry your market on your head and hawk it and hawk it like a gala, like hawk it. Do it shamelessly. Market your channel shamelessly. You do not owe anybody any explanation. You are the one that know what you want. People start YouTube channel for different reasons. People do it for the money, and I feel like if you're doing it for the money, trust me, you're gonna give up at the end of the day, because there'll be a time maybe you feel like you're not getting views, right? If you're focusing on dishing out amazing content, trust me, the views will come on its own. So when I say promote your videos, when you create content like this, share your content to different people. Share your content on your Instagram. If you are active on Facebook, please share your content on your Facebook. If you have massive followers, massive friends on Facebook, please share your content on Facebook. And if you do that, tell your friends on your Facebook to also share your content on their own timeline on Facebook, so that your channel can go viral, so your videos can go viral. Share it on your WhatsApp status. I remember when 2 years ago, when I created my other YouTube channel, which is cake baking, I did one content there, and that content was all about how to bake one particular type of cake. And guys, trust me, I shared that video on my Instagram business page. I shared that video on my Telegram. I shared that video on my Instagram stories, different platform where I belong to. I shared that video, and guys, trust me, before within a month, that video went viral. Also, I created one recently around February. Yes, how to make cake parfait. This year 2022, around February, I made a content on how to make a cake parfait. And guys, trust me, as I'm speaking to you now, that video has over 18,000 views within the space of 4 months. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. When you make content like this, you need to share it, promote it, do it shamelessly. Don't be afraid. Do not be shy. You know the kind of results you're looking for on your channel, so you need to put in the work. You need to put in the effort. A job without any effort brings no results. You need to understand that, guys. So as a new YouTuber, if you're trying to start up a new channel, please you need to take note of all these tips I am telling you. You need to write it down and know how you can start your YouTube channel. Don't just say, let me just start. No, you need to have a plan. When you follow all these tips that I've given to you from the previous video and this one, trust me, you will definitely get results from time to time, okay? But the thing is that their audiences differs. Like most of these platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the audiences differs. So this is one thing you guys should take note of. I think for Facebook, I think that the audience for Facebook, they kind of differ with that of what Instagram. So that's how all these platforms are. But you do not wait for somebody to share your videos. You can do it, except maybe the person likes your content and wants to share it out of his or her own will. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Guys, do it yourself. Market it. It's in your hands for you to make your videos go viral. I'm talking from experience, guys. You can do it. Growth takes time. It don't just start immediately. Growth takes time. Hope this is clear for you guys, okay? This social media, it's big, it's versatile. That's why it is social media. Socialize your videos with your audiences. If you have good audience on Facebook, on Instagram, please do that. For me, I know that I have a good audience on Instagram, and whenever I share my cake videos on my Instagram page, trust me guys, it brings good results. Also on my Insta story, on my WhatsApp, it brings good results. So please, I'm also telling you right now, if you're a new YouTuber and you want to start a channel, please learn to promote your videos on all social media platforms that you belong to. So I hope I've said enough about this, learning how to, knowing how to promote your videos for for your growth, right? Also, to add to what I've been saying, since no one will hype you, no one will hype your channel the way you want it to look like. You are the only one that can hype your channel. You're the only one that can make your channel grow. So do it shamelessly. Do it like you don't care, like you don't send anybody message. It's your channel. It's, you know what you want. So hype yourself, guys. Nobody will hype you the way you can do it for yourself. Well, except you have a big YouTuber that can hype you. You understand? There's some YouTubers where, in fact, I know one YouTuber like that. She's a new YouTuber. Within space of 2 days, she got up to 2,000 subscribers. This is because her sister is a big YouTuber. When this new YouTuber created her new YouTube channel, her sister had to help her to share her videos. And guys, within the space of 3 weeks, she got monetized. You understand? So this can only happen to you as a newbie if you have somebody that is big. But if you don't have someone that is big, I really want to encourage you that you can do it. You can grow your channel, because I have done that. My other channel has been monetized. I did it myself. Nobody helped me, and I'm really proud of myself, okay? So for this particular channel that is still growing, I will definitely grow this channel by God's grace, and it's going to get to the height where I want to be. So guys, don't be discouraged. As a new YouTuber, do not be discouraged. You can do it. Just hype yourself and keep promoting your videos, okay? So guys, that's all about it for this video. If you're just watching this one for the first time, please you can take your time to watch the previous video where I shared some tips from the beginning, okay? So this one is just a part 2 of this video. So guys, I've come to an end to this particular content on this channel. Please, if you enjoyed watching it, consider giving it a like, guys. Also subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, share this video. If you come across this video and you know it's helpful to you, please share this video to your friends so that people that are looking forward to start a YouTube channel, we definitely see this video, okay? It's going to help this particular channel to grow. As you can see me, I'm also promoting myself as well. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, like this video and hit that subscribe button as well. Also, follow me on Instagram at CEO Blessed, where you get to also see me there. So engage with my content as well. Drop your comments in this video if it's really helpful to you. I really want to get to know you guys on my channel. So guys, that's all about it for this video. Like I used to say on my channel, put your trust in God, guys. Man will disappoint you, but God will not disappoint you. God has a special plan for you in your life, right? So guys, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.